We're going to repair this 2022 Chevy Traverse without doing any kind of painting or body work or replacement of parts. And we're going to do this in the same day for this customer, where they drop it off in the morning and then pick it up that evening. We're using specialized techniques. This is actually called the glue pulling technique, where we're actually temporarily fusing a plastic tab with some hot glue to the panel to release a lot of this damage and just kind of bring the metal up in a certain systematic way to where it just lays flat again, and then kind of go inside afterwards and pick out the remaining damage with specialized PDR tools or paintless dent repair tools, and really fine-tune this thing to where you'd never be able to tell anything ever happened to it, all while retaining the original factory paint finish. This is a real end result here. This took about roughly, I believe, 9 hours on this one here. Back to its original factory condition. There's no repainting of anything, no parts changed. I appreciate you taking the time to become educated about the valuable paintless dent repair process. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.